With some hesitation, I decided to give my stone fireplace a makeover. Using the whitewash antiquing gel, it was such an easy process that I wanted to share it with you. Using my Syntec brush, I began brushing on the whitewash antiquing onto the mortar and onto the stone, and gently rubbing it away with a dry cloth. I continued rubbing and brushing until I reached my desired look. I decided to work around the television that was in place just to make the process simple. I used the graphite gel stain to go over the mantel. I used the whitewash antiquing gel over the mantel to give it a softened look. Once I completed the process of whitewashing the stone, I then worked on the firebox. I used a heat-resistant paint that's made for painting stoves. I added some ceramic birch logs that I found on Amazon that were the perfect finishing touch. In just a few short hours, I made some big changes to my fireplace, and I'm so happy with the results.